This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning, everybody. This is Reagan Laughlin with RL Real Estate Group in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. And this morning I'm going to show you how to generate seller leads via your KV Core platform or conversions website via Facebook. So what I'm going to show you is how to create a squeeze page. So if you're looking for seller leads, this is definitely the video for you to watch for, and to learn how to create a lot of seller leads via Facebook and your KV Core system. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is open up your dashboard inside KV Core, and then what you're going to want to do is go to your lead engine tab. And then what you're going to do is select your IDX squeeze page. The first thing you'll do is select your domain. Mine is All Homes for Sale in Sioux Falls. And then I'm going to select Start Building. And then it's going to take me to the area that I can actually create the squeeze page. So in this case, since we're looking for seller leads, what we're going to do is click on the seller squeeze page. What I'm going to do for source, since this is going to be ran through Facebook, I'm going to save my source as Facebook. And then since I'm going to be looking for seller leads in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, what I'm going to do is use a hashtag and say Sioux Falls. Now the reason that you want to do this is so when the leads come in, you know which squeeze page the leads are coming from, which will then better determine what squeeze pages are working for you. The next thing I'm going to do is type in the city for the area. And here you can see I typed in Sioux Falls, and then I can select the city, Sioux Falls. And then if you want to create a Facebook photo or use a different Facebook photo, you can certainly do that. So you can see here in the drop-down box, you can use listings from search results. You can use recent listings. You can do low price listings from your agency, or use random listings from your agency. So I'm actually going to just use the standard photo that comes with our seller squeeze page. Then what I'm going to do, you guys, is click on generate link. And notice it has a long direct link and then it has a short link. I am going to use the short link. So if I click on here, it will actually copy the link to the clipboard, which will then make it easier for you to copy and paste it into Facebook. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Facebook business page. And remember, if you are advertising your business on Facebook, you always need to make sure that you're advertising on your Facebook business page, and then you can share it from there. Share the post to your timeline, to a friend's timeline, or into any Facebook group. But always make sure that you're sharing from your Facebook business page. So then, you guys, what I'm going to do is paste that link into a Facebook post. And here you can see this is the standard photo, first of all, that comes with our seller squeeze page. And that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and use that. And then you can see that in the heading it says the average price in Sioux Falls is $315,000. What's yours worth? So then what I'm going to do is I am going to just create something that says, since this is actually a new home valuation tool for me, I'm going to actually say that it's a new home valuation tool, and I'm going to invite people to try it out. So what I'm going to say is check out my new home valuation tool. See what your home is worth. And in Sioux Falls, let me know what you think of my new tool. And then what I'm going to do is add a couple of emojis. So the first one I am going to add is the gal raising her hand to check out my new home valuation tool. Then I'm going to go in front of home and I'm going to find a picture of a home. And let's see. Okay, I'll use the picture of this home and then see what your home is worth in Sioux Falls. What I'm going to do is find a dollar sign. And I think it is towards the bottom. Let's see. Sometimes it's hard to find the emojis within Facebook. Let's see. So what I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm going to open up Emojipedia. So when I can't find an emoji that I want to use in Facebook because it takes too long to search for it, I just go into emojipedia.com and there is my dollar sign that I am looking for. So you just copy it and you can paste that. So I'm going to just put the emoji or the dollar sign in front of the word worth and right after it. And then let me know what you think of this new, let's see, let me know what you think of this new seller tool. And then I am going to put an arrow in front of the link here. All right, and then you guys, all I'm going to do is click share now. And then I'm going to show you how to share this post to your timeline. So I'm going to copy the content that I wrote, and I'm going to click on copy. Then I'm going to click on share, and I'm going to share it to my timeline. So I'm just going to paste the information into the new post, and this is going to go onto my timeline. I don't want to include original post. I'm not going to check that box. And the reason for that, you guys, is because if you do that, then all of this content is going to show at the bottom of your post. And then I think it's hard for people to find that or see that. I want it to be right in the beginning of the post or at the top of the post. So then I'm going to go ahead and click post. So now I've got this post shared to my Facebook business page. And now you can see that I've got it shared to my timeline. And see, all of my information is showing here. The one thing that I have not been able to figure out is why the link disappears. So all I do, you guys, is go into edit the post, and then you can see that the link actually shows here. So I'm going to say or click on save, and again, it's still not showing. So then I go in and I delete the link. And then what I will say is click on the photo below to get your home valuation report now. And then we'll click save. Because if you guys, they can go ahead and just click on the photo and it'll take them to the seller squeeze page that you've created. Okay, well, I hope you guys liked this video. I'm going to go ahead and post this to our EXP family. Facebook page, or Facebook group, I should say. And I hope that you guys use this because it's a great way to generate seller leads. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me at Reagan at rlrealestategroup.com, or you can always instant message me on Facebook. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.